Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 335D M Sport XDRIVE Shadow Edition. Now just come with 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black in superb unscratched unmarked condition, and just hiding behind them we do have the M Sport brake calipers. Now we do have LED headlights, black kiddie girls, full M Sport styling kit, so you do get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler, and also a rear diffuser. There's a look at another alloy wheel. Now we do have the blacked out styling, so we do have the black windows with the black window trim, and also the privacy glass on the rear. There's a quick look at another alloy wheel. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors with dual X exhaust flush with the rear bumper and also with the rear diffuser. Now we do have the XDRIVE and the 335D badging on the rear just there as well. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now if I go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. Now we do have full Dakota leather throughout with pull down leather armrests and also ISOFIX points just down there. The storage nets behind the driver and passenger seat, and also vents in the centre with the 12-volt connectivity. And on the doors we do have your electric windows with your BMW individual trim, and also your brushed metal trim, and also your integrated Harman speakers. Now going to the front, there's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat, which is extremely comfortable and is also heated. Now on the doors you have your electric windows, brushed metal, BMW individual trim, brushed metal trim, and also your integrated Harman speakers. Now jumping inside the car, you do have your auto lights just down there. Multifunction steering wheel, cruise control and speed limiter, and also paddle shift if you set the car into manual mode. Now foot on the brake, we do have the keyless start. Now this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard, and when the service is due light is come off, it has done 54,290 miles. Now we do have the auto high beam assist just there, as well as auto wipers on the other stalk. Coming to the centre, we do have the touchscreen just up there as well. Now we do have satellite navigation as well as DAB radio. Scroll across, we do have FM, AM, online entertainment, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, and also USB. We also have Bluetooth phone connectivity. Nav, we do have different drive modes as well. Now we do have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and also Sports Plus. Pop it into reverse, you can see the front and rear parking sensors just there as well. Now coming back off that and coming down it, we do have the dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to. And we do have the 2 heated front seats, so for those cold winter mornings, really does make all the difference. And for those hot summer days, we do have the ice cold aircon. Down here, we do have the storage tray just there. Push this open, we have 2 nice size cup holders, 12-volt connectivity. Track control on and off with your driving mode selected, and also parking sensors. Individual trim just there, and this is what you use to control everything else on the screen if you're not using the touchscreen function. Soft touch leather armrest with storage just under there as well. And there's a look at the passenger's full Dakota leather front seat with the extended thigh support if you may need it, just like the drivers. Now we do have the BMW individual trim on the dashboard and down here as well, which is a very nice addition to this vehicle. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive rate finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not having to fight my steering wheel to keep it a straight line, it's going straight and through, and not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now on the left hand side of the multi-function steering wheel, we do have cruise control and speed limiter. Now to activate the cruise control, simply push the button at the bottom and say cruise control ready, then use the dial, push up, and it'll go to the nearest miles an hour. Now to go up by 1, simply push up very slightly, and then to go up to the nearest 5 miles an hour, push up until you feel a bit of a click, and then that's gone up by the nearest 5. Now the roundabout will take a left as you would if you drive this vehicle today. Now we do have paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode as well. So I'm going to take over now. So currently I'm in 4th, drop it down to 3rd, back into 4th, into 5th, into 6th, and then I'm going to let the car take back over by simply just letting go. Now you can put the car into manual and sport mode by pushing the gear stick to the left where it goes into M and S, M meaning manual and then S meaning sport. Now when it's sport, it goes through the rev range a lot longer and actually sharpens up the gear changes as well. Now in the centre we do have the touchscreen satellite navigation system. Now we do have Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth media connectivity as well as DAB radio, and again the satellite navigation. We also have visual display of when you pop it into reverse, you do have the front and rear parking sensors. Now we do have integrated Harman Kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. As well, we do have full Dakota leather front seats, which are also heated. Now, in these seats, they are very comfortable. We can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles and still get out feeling fresh. Now, here at Alice Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 3 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader. Now, if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you've been listening out of anyone wanting knocks or bangs. Now, if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. But right now, I'm going to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop and pop it straight into reverse, just so the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up in the sensor the visual display of the front and rear parking sensors. So, come up to the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see the visual display just there. Pop it straight back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions or inquiries during this test drive and more on video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me in this video test drive. More on video. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.